New at 11, construction loans are supposed to protect you, the borrower, with money only paid when the work gets done.
However, several Georgia homeowners said that their builder found a way around all of that, taking tens of thousands of dollars while subcontractors went unpaid. 11 Alive senior investigator Rebecca Lyncham shows why they're stuck with the fallout.
When the Taylor family posed for this photo in Lake Chautauqua Living for a story about their dream home and deep roots on the land.
This is family land. It dates back 7 generations.
They never imagined they would be back in the news, revealing this time the flaws in what appeared picture perfect.
So you'll see areas where the screws are popping through, still blue tape in areas, and honestly, I've taken a lot of the blue tape down.
Blue tape where the work was never finished.
If you notice the banister at the very end over there, it's not even connected.
The Taylors say this man, Kenneth Johnson, the owner of 4M Construction, stopped paying subcontractors even after taking large draws from their construction loan. Then, they say, he disappeared.
Cabinets still owed money, paint, plumbing still owed money, electrical still owed money.
To access that money, the bank required Johnson to sign waivers that all subcontractors had been paid. According to records filed with the Taylors' lawsuit, he did. But no one asked the subcontractors if it was true.
And this is over $120,000 of our mortgage funds.
11 Alive Investigates found 2 other homeowners who also worked with Johnson and had the same story: unfinished homes and unpaid subcontractors filing liens. We went looking for Johnson.
Cops, attorneys, whatever you want. Everybody's looking for this guy.
He was no longer renting this Cumming house, but we did find records indicating he had opened a new construction company and even a trucking business.
Hello, we are trying to reach roots and roofs.
Homeowners want to know if money from any of those projects will go back into finishing their homes.
And we were just checking in to see.
A brief text response to my questions claimed jobs like the Taylors were completed, unless they didn't pay or they parted ways with Johnson's company. When we pointed out Johnson was paid, we got silence.
Even if you're able to get a judgment against that contractor or get some sort of award against them, that doesn't end the problem.
Because collecting that money can be nearly impossible if business owners go into hiding, file bankruptcy, hide assets, or simply choose to ignore court rulings.
This is theft.
Regardless how the Taylors see it, police will take a report but rarely make an arrest. And the construction loan process many would-be homeowners thought would protect them often doesn't. We surveyed 10 banks and credit unions. Of those that responded, 3 said they confirm the work is done, and depending on the loan, may require proof subcontractors got paid. But attorney Eric Tusink recommends writing that protection into your building contract before the first dollar is ever released. If they say no,
maybe they're not the right contractor for you.
For these families, that lesson came too late, forced to pay twice to clear the liens so they could move in.
It's been devastating to us financially, emotionally, mentally.
The land their family has held for generations.
We've worked our whole lives for this, so this is our home.
Now holds a new story. In Hiawassee, Rebecca Lindstrom, 11 Alive Investigates.
Well, if you have a story for Rebecca or the 11 Alive Investigates team, reach out by calling 404-873-9111 or email investigates@11alive.com.